Right now, some of the fastest growing jobs on Earth didn't even exist 20 years ago. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, entire industries are being shaped by one powerful idea: STEM. But what exactly is STEM? And why do governments, schools, and companies around the world treat it like the golden ticket to the future? Let's break it down. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. But it's not just 4 separate subjects. Think of STEM as a way of learning that connects these disciplines to solve real-world challenges. Instead of memorizing formulas in isolation, STEM education encourages students to build robots, design experiments, analyze data, or even imagine the next green city. It's learning with purpose, knowledge directly linked to application. Here's a fact that rarely gets enough attention. STEM-related jobs are growing faster than non-STEM jobs in nearly every economy. Analysts project that fields such as data science, healthcare technology, and engineering will continue to outpace others in demand. This means students trained in STEM skills don't just graduate with degrees, they graduate with opportunities. They step into industries hungry for innovation. But the value of STEM isn't only about personal career success. It's also about addressing the biggest challenges humanity faces, from climate change and pandemic preparedness to sustainable agriculture and secure digital systems. Each of these depends on strong STEM knowledge. A society with a STEM-literate population is better equipped to innovate, adapt, and create solutions for problems that don't even exist yet. Here's the twist: STEM isn't just technical. By working on projects that combine science with design or technology with creativity, students also develop transferable skills: critical thinking, problem solving, teamwork, and resilience. These are abilities employers in every industry are looking for, from business to media. In short, STEM education doesn't only create scientists and engineers, it develops adaptable thinkers. Of course, STEM shouldn't overshadow the arts or humanities. Many educators now use the term STEAM, adding the A for arts, to emphasize creativity and ethics. Because the future doesn't just need coders and inventors, it needs innovators who understand culture, empathy, and the human impact of technology. So the next time you hear the word STEM, remember, it's more than an acronym. It's a lens for exploring how the world works and how we can make it better. The real question isn't whether STEM is important. The question is, how will you use it to shape the future?